The next method of agriculture is strip cropping, a cultivation in which different crops are sown in alternate strips. In science it is called growing alternate cropping, where in one row we grow one crop and in the next line we grow another crop. This is strip cropping. The next method is mixed cropping. It is defined as the cultivation of two or more crops simultaneously in the same land. You grow two crops together in the same land because it helps to save the land, and it can help the farmers in getting two crops together. It is an old practice, especially in the regions of uncertain rainfall where it rains less. So farmers grow one crop and grow another crop, so that if it is destroyed, then the other crop can be used. Today this method has been replaced by called intercropping. Intercropping is similar to mixed cropping, except that different crops are grown in different rows. So you grow different crops in different rows. It helps in increasing productivity per unit area. It is defined as growing two or more crops in the same field in a definite row pattern. The advantages of intercropping are it helps in using more air, water, nutrients and interland space area. So when we grow two or more crops together, you can use the land properly. If any of the crop happens to be a leguminous plant, now in 7th class and in science you must have read that there are some plants whose roots have got bacteria which make the soil fertile. Those are the leguminous plants. So farmers grow those crops with the other crop. It helps to make the soil fertile. Then is mixed farming. What are the advantages of mixed farming? It saves farmers risk of complete failure. If one crop fails, he can use another crop. It increases income of the farmers and provides work to them throughout the year, because they can get one crop, then on the next day or after few days they will have another crop ready. Some of the food for people working on the farms. Source, it provides food for the people who are working, and the waste products become a fodder for the animals. That means animals can use the waste of the plant as a food. Multiple cropping, in science you have read, so it is the same, growing of two crops together. Then next thing also you have read in science, that is crop rotation. It is the successive cultivation of different crops in a specific order on the same field is called crop rotation.